You are going to love the 2020 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining, and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, bed liner, power mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, headlights auto off, backup camera, Sirius satellite radio. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.